Homemade chicken harira soup and raspberry lemonade, affordable iftar and Ramadan special for beginners. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. Today, we have a special treat for you, homemade chicken harira soup paired with refreshing raspberry lemonade. Perfect for iftar during Ramadan, and guess what? It's beginner-friendly and budget-friendly too. Let's dive right in. First, let's run through the ingredients you'll need. For chicken harira soup: 1 pound of chicken breast, diced. 1 onion, finely chopped. 2 cloves of garlic, minced. 1 carrot, diced. 1 celery stalk, diced. 1 cup of lentils. Half cup of rice. 4 cups of chicken broth. 1 can of diced tomatoes. 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. 1 tablespoon of olive oil. 1 teaspoon of ground cumin. 1 teaspoon of ground ginger. 1 teaspoon of paprika. Salt and pepper to taste. Fresh cilantro or parsley for garnish. For raspberry lemonade: 1 cup of fresh raspberries. 1 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Half cup of sugar, adjust to taste. 4 cups of water. Ice cubes. Lemon slices and fresh mint for garnish. Now that we have all our ingredients, let's start with the chicken harira soup. 1. Heat olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add chopped onions and minced garlic. Sauté until they're soft and translucent. 2. Add diced chicken breast to the pot. Cook until the chicken is no longer pink. 3. Stir in diced carrots and celery. Cook for another few minutes until they start to soften. 4. Add lentils, rice, diced tomatoes, tomato paste, ground cumin, ground ginger, paprika, salt, and pepper to the pot. Mix well to combine all the flavors. 5. Pour in the chicken broth. Bring the soup to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 30 to 40 minutes, or until the lentils and rice are fully cooked and tender. 6. Once the soup is ready, ladle it into bowls and garnish with fresh cilantro or parsley. While our soup is simmering, let's whip up some refreshing raspberry lemonade. 1. In a blender, combine fresh raspberries, freshly squeezed lemon juice, sugar, and water. 2. Blend until everything is well combined and the raspberries are fully incorporated. 3. Strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve to remove the raspberry seeds. 4. Transfer the raspberry lemonade to a pitcher filled with ice cubes. 5. Garnish with lemon slices and fresh mint leaves for an extra burst of flavor and aroma. And there you have it, our homemade chicken harira soup and raspberry lemonade are ready to be served for iftar or any special occasion during Ramadan. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. Remember, cooking at home doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. With a few simple ingredients and easy-to-follow steps, you can create delicious meals like these to share with your loved ones. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel for more Ramadan specials and beginner-friendly recipes. Wishing you all a blessed Ramadan. Ma-as-salama. Thank you very much, chicken harira soup and raspberry lemonade lovers.